This is the Level 4 review of IELTS writing, focusing on Task 1 non-temporal charts. When we look at these charts, in order to write the report, first we need to look and see that there is just one time period, which is 2006. So this is why we call it non-temporal, just one time. Then, in order to select and report the main features and make the comparisons, we should answer these questions. Obviously, we have a pie chart and a table, and if we look at what snacks are popular, we can see worldwide it's chocolate, in Japan popcorn, and in China chocolate. So if we look at this, we can see we have two which are similar, worldwide and China, and one that's different, which is Japan. So when we organize this information into paragraphs, of course, we'll start with our introduction, and then we'll have 3 body paragraphs. We have the paragraph about worldwide first because it's the most important information. Next, China, because it's the similar one. It has the same most popular snack as worldwide. And last of all, our different one. Looking at the introduction, of course, the first sentence gives us the information that we find. And the second sentence is our overview, which is the most important information, and again, it's general and no details. Now, from this overview, we can write the first sentence of the first body paragraph, first sentence of the second body paragraph, and the first sentence of the third body paragraph. If we move on to the first body paragraph, as I said before, worldwide is more important. Japan and China are part of the world, so we want to give all the information in the pie chart here. And we're going to first introduce the topic, say which is our most popular, and then give the rest of the information in order of popularity. However, when we look at the information from the table, we're only looking at the most popular and least popular, and in each case we want to compare that with the numbers in the pie chart for worldwide. So we can say that in China it's chocolate, and that's similar to the world, and with our least popular snack, in China it's 8%, but in the world it's 5%. So here we can say it's slightly higher than in the world. Similarly, with our different paragraph, the last one about Japan, first we're introducing the topic and comparing the popularity of popcorn in Japan with in the world. And again, we're doing the same for chocolate. Looking at the linking words that help to tie all this together, we can see we've got, of course, a lot of words for what's similar and what's different. A key piece of vocabulary here is respectively, which we need when we have 2 nouns. For example, if we use respectively, we know that cake is 15 and chips is 10, because it tells us the order. Also, for linking ideas and words together, we can look at referencing with it and also with this. In terms of the vocabulary for this kind of writing, one of the key features is how we report the numbers. Sometimes we want to give numbers, sometimes we want to give fractions in words, a mix of both. And this is some revision for you of the key fractions that you should know. Moving on to the grammar, we can see that the complexity in this writing comes mainly from using relative clauses with which. And a lot of these have the superlative, which was the lowest, or they're comparing, which was slightly higher than with comparatives. We also have one that clause. This chart is the topic for the exercises on the web page. So look at this, give yourself about 20 minutes, write a report about this topic, and then work through the exercises on the web page. Thank you and good luck.